The first internship I did was during my undergraduate studies, so I wasn't even doing PhD back then. It went very well. I actually received a scholarship for this. So it was really good. It was really good experience. It was really good experiencing the company itself, because this was my first contact with Arm. So you get a sort of a feeling of what the company is like, what the people are like, would like to come back there. And I think this is really important. So that was my first internship. It went quite well. The second one, I already knew the company. I already worked with the company for quite some time. So it was just an additional experience of the group that I actually currently work with. If you're looking for a career at Arm, I think the most important thing is do an internship. What internship gives you is an invaluable experience. You'll get a feeling of a company, and you might get a recommendation from your line manager. So the project I work on looks at the application of Arm-IP in plastic electronics technology. My role is to look at the system architecture, verification of the architecture, and also testing of the actual devices when we actually have the physical devices. An example product that already exists is a temperature monitoring plaster for children. So you attach a plaster to a child, and it monitors the temperature for like 48 hours or 24 to 48 hours, and then you can dispose it. So the reason why I came to ECS was mainly because of the prestige of the ECS itself. That was the first thing that drew me to ECS. I also had a chat with previous undergraduates when it was during my internships at Arm, actually. And from the conversations, it was a very obvious choice. So my PhD, the title of my PhD was Watermarking Soft IP Processors. What it meant was adding a watermark, which is adding an additional circuit at the very high level of the processor design, so that when it goes through the entire implementation flow and then the processor is actually fabricated, you can detect the watermark, so you can detect your own processor in the actual physical device. Because of the Arm-ECS link, it was much easier to do my PhD because of the support and guidance I was given. So the Arm-ECS definitely got me where I am at now. But it was a combination of things. So Arm-ECS, it was a two-way relationship. One was, it has shown me what Arm is like, what my future job might be, but it's also shown people inside Arm what my capabilities are. And then when I applied to Arm, yes, I did go through the official process, but it was definitely easier to get that recommendation.